Hi, I'm Nicole Leskis, licensed massage therapist, and I'm going to be showing you hamstring repair with massage. If someone has a strain in their hamstring muscles, the first 24 to 48 hours, you're definitely going to see some swelling and redness. You want to avoid that area. Typically, I will see them after the injury is healed or has become chronic. But if they do come to me and it is acute, I will advise them to rest it, to elevate it, and typically people would suggest ice. I prefer first stage trauma formulas, liniments, topical liniments or herbal formulas to be applied that include cooling herbs, so it's kind of your herbal ice. So I would have the client apply that several times a day until the swelling and redness has gone down. Afterwards, I can go into the area and work on any preventing adhesions, or if any adhesions have formed. If it's more chronic, I'll see some adhesions or maybe some scar tissue forming depending on the tear and where the tear is. The hamstring belly muscle is here. Tendons are into the sits bone or the ischial tuberosity and then coming down into the back of the knee. Most tears happen by the tendons where the attachments are. Sometimes it happens in the muscle belly, so I will address all of those areas to support the whole muscle. I'm going to start with Effleurage. So gentle gliding strokes through the muscle. And during a session, I won't just work the hamstrings. I'm going to work the supporting muscles, the hip, maybe the hip flexors anteriorly, the glutes, around the knee. So towards the heart is where you want your pressure. You can go in and do some stripping. Have your thumb be supported by go the length of the muscle. And you can go all the way into the ischial tuberosity where the attachments are, and I'll friction back and forth. So after stripping, I can go in and do some cross fiber friction. Finding any adhesions, focusing on them, circular motions around the tendons. If the muscle is contracted, I want to work on lengthening it. I would have evaluated the person's gait, their pelvis alignment before and while they got on the table, checking their hip alignment to see if there is a lengthening in the muscle. So if it is lengthened, I don't want to focus on lengthening it even more and disturbing any imbalance that's already there or worsening it. So I'm going to work on nourishing it. And doing some petrissage. And again, if it is shortened, I can do some hamstring stretches, have them lie supine and lift the leg, stretch the hamstring, as well as work on the hip flexors and the supporting muscles around the area. So that is hamstring repair with massage. For more information, you can go to my website at totalbodyharmony.com. Thanks and be well.